Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook video lag. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Facebook videos here are lagging, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your internet connectivity is not the problem here. Now the quality and the consistency of your video or Facebook videos here actually depends on your internet connectivity. So if you have a slow internet connection or you're just having inconsistencies in your internet connectivity, well, in this case, this will affect your videos that you process or you view on Facebook. So in this case, you want to open up any browser here and just go to the URL here and just type in the following, which in this case is going to be speed test. Now you want to go and test the internet connectivity here, and if you have a pretty average one, so in my case this one is pretty average, so I usually get like 80 or 70 to 80 here, which in this case should be the download option for your internet connectivity. But in this case, if you have, again, if it's inconsistent, then the problem itself is going to be your internet connectivity. So you might want to switch over to using your mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, switch over to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that actually helps. But then again, if you're still having some issues, there are a few settings that you could change on Facebook. Let's go open up Facebook here, and at the top right, you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon, click on the gear icon again, and from here, scroll down a bit, look for preference, and you want to go to media. Now under media, there have a bunch of options here. So we have the optimize and data saver on or under video quality. Now in here, if you want to be more consistent with your videos, but it actually reduces your quality as well, you could go and choose data saver. Now, this will make the videos load faster on Facebook, but then again, it reduces the quality. So if you don't want to reduce the quality, you can still use Optimize, but if you want to load it a lot faster, then try using Data Saver. Now, finally, the last thing that you can do here is to clear your cache for your Facebook app. So you want to look for Facebook app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and click on Clear Data at the bottom right, and click on Clear Cache, and OK. Now, this just basically clears out your temporary files, but that should help. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.